What if you could create your own game like GTA 5, but better? What if you had the power to build massive cities, endless highways, and thrilling adventures right from your imagination? With GameGen-O, the future of open world games is in your hands. Stick around and I will show you how you can create entire worlds, dynamic characters, and epic events just like in GTA 5, but on a whole new level. You won't want to miss what's next, because I am about to reveal how you can become the creator of your own open world masterpiece. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be ready to create the next big game. It's time to level up. Welcome to GameGen-O, the first AI-powered engine for creating open world video games. Whether you want to design massive cities like GTA 5, generate realistic characters, or simulate dynamic events, GameGen-O does it all on the fly. GameGen-O is not just another AI tool. It's a new way of creating, playing, and experiencing games. Want to build cities like GTA 5? How about designing whole landscapes in real time? From vast open worlds like these cherry blossom in spring to medical airships soaring over steampunk cities, GameGen-O brings your imagination to life. And it's not just about the environment. GameGen-O creates characters too. Imagine a cyberpunk warrior navigating neon-lit streets or a celestial angel flying through heavenly realms. Next is GameGen-O's technology, foundation pre-training. So, how does GameGen-O really work? It starts with OGame data, a massive dataset of over 32,000 gameplay videos. This includes footage from the biggest open world games in the world like GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption, and The Witcher. The AI processes this data to understand how to create interactive worlds that feels real. It filters down to 15,000 high-quality clips, learning from each one to generate environments, characters, and events. This is where the GameGen-O's real power shows. It does not just create static worlds, it generates dynamic, evolving events like this tsunami hitting the shore. And it does this on command, just like how you could trigger events in GTA 5. The real-time control of GameGen-O. Let's say you want to change the atmosphere, like in GTA 5 when you switch from day to night, just tell GameGen-O, make the sky dark, and it happens instantly. And if you want to change your character's abilities or the weather, you can command the AI to create a storm or a tsunami on the fly. Now, the GameGen-O's heart, the instruction tuning. This interactive power comes from GameGen-O's second training stage, instruction tuning. It's where the AI learns to react to your commands in real time, making it perfect for open world games where things are constantly changing. Say you are in a high-speed chase like in GTA 5, want to make it more intense, GameGen-O ramps up the action in real time, adapting the world and events as you play. Or maybe you want to completely change the environment, summon a storm, create new characters, or cause a tsunami. GameGen-O reacts instantly. Now let's talk about versatility of GameGen-O. GameGen-O is not just for environments. It's built to create characters and actions as dynamic as you want. From cyber warrior in futuristic cities to mythical beings in fantasy worlds, your imagination is the only limit. Ever wanted to create a world with epic characters like GTA 5? With Gen-O, you are in full control. Now let's talk about event generation. Events are what makes the world come alive in GameGen-O. You can create everything from high-speed motorcycle chase to natural disasters like tsunamis. Now let's talk about the future of gaming. We are just scratching the surface of what GameGen-O can do. Imagine being able to create games but with even more control. Whether you are an indie developer or a casual gamer, this AI puts the power of game creation in your hands. The future of open world games is here, and it's powered by AI. Welcome to GameGen-O. Now, if you want to see more, like this video and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Let's explore the future of gaming together.